All right, these are your 3-6 notes. This is the bottom of page 34. We are going to talk about standard form. The last time we talked about y equals mx plus b. That is slope-intercept form. We have to have slope-intercept form in order to graph a line. So our problem today is our equations are in standard form, which is ax plus by equals c. And we're going to have to change them from standard into slope-intercept form, and then if we wanted, we could graph them. So I'm going to give you, I'm going to draw on the paper. I'm going to give you 3 examples and then let you try. Today's a really short day. So my goal is to get the y by himself. In order to do that, I need to move the x. Now, when that equation y equals mx plus b, the x part needs to come before the number. This is just the number. So the x's go away. I have y just where I want him by himself, but then I have to write the x, and that's a positive 6, so I write plus 6. And this one is done. That was easy. This one will have one more step in it, number 8 will. So same thing, subtract your x, goes away, we copy down to y. Now, we have to write it backwards from what you think you would write. Negative 5x, and that's a negative 2, so we write minus 2. Now, I'm not done yet because the y is not alone. So I got to get rid of that 2, and I have to share him with everybody. So now, yay, the y's by himself. If you put negative 5 over 2 in your calculator as a fraction, it will tell you negative 5 over 2. Or it'll tell you a decimal, and we don't want decimals. So, and then I've got negative 2 over 2. If you type that in your calculator as a fraction, it will tell you the answer is negative 1. Now, I could graph that. Let's look at the last one, number 9. Same as every time, I'm going to move the 2x I'm moving him by subtraction since he's positive. All right, do not lose that negative. You have negative 4y equals negative 2x plus 28 because he's positive. All right, we've got to divide negative 4. That goes away. The y is by himself. Woohoo! Negative 2 over negative 4. If you type that as a fraction, you end up with 1/2 x plus, well, actually it's not plus. 28 over negative 4 would be negative 7. I am okay. You can either have minus 7 or plus negative 7. Either way is completely all right. I think it's better just to write minus because it's less effort. All right, flip over to the next page. This is page 35. I would like you to pick 2 of these problems. There's 3, 10, 11, and 12. You pick 2 and write them in y equals mx plus b form. The other thing you missed today was we did geometry, IXL, IXL, we did E5, 70%. So take the notes, do 2 of these problems, 10, 11, and 12, pick 2, and then do that IXL. Thank you.